Good morning, dear students. So let us continue our discussion on trigonometry. So let me just draw a right angle triangle. So let this right angle triangle be something like this. So let this be P, let this be M, and let this be O. And let us say that this is A and this is A. And if you calculate it using Pythagoras theorem, you would get this side as root 2 of A. So I don't think I need to calculate this root 2A. So let us assume that this angle is given as 45 degree. So we have been naming it some different angles. So let us give some particular values. So let it be, in this case, become 45 degree. Okay. So what will be cos? So cos 45 degree, because this is the angle now. Cos 45 degree will be nothing but cos 45 degree is given as curly brown hair. So this will be OM by OP. So what is OM? OM is nothing but A, and OP is root 2A. So AA will get cancelled, so this will be 1 by root 2. So what I'm trying to say by using all this thing is cos 45, the value of cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So similarly, let me calculate for sin 45 as well. So sin 45 degree is nothing but some people. So P will be OP have, so PM it will be PM. So PM is nothing but OP is again A, so it will be 1 by root 2 again. So sin 45 degrees also 1 by root 2. So let us calculate it for tan 45. Tan 45 is again OP by, I think it should be now, let me just write it, OP by OM. Is it OP by OM? Yes, I think I made a mistake over here when I was assuming the value. So let this be, this will be root 2A, okay? So this will be A only. Okay, so if you consider this one now, it will be A by A. So this is nothing but 1. So if you see, the value of tan 45 is A. So in this way we can calculate the values of any angle, but in this discussion we are going to restrict ourselves only to some standard angles, and the chapter name says trigonometric ratio of standard angles. So those standard angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. So we are going to stress on only on the values of this five particular degrees of angle. So each and every one has certain derivations. I have discussed with you 45 degree how the values come. Similarly, you can do it for 30, 60 and 90. If you want any help, you can discuss with me. So let us start putting their values. So first of all, if I want to put it for something like cos 0 degree, then after that 30, after that 45, after that 60, and finally 90 degree. So there are some ways to write all these things. There's a kind of a trick how to write it. So whenever you're in exam, if you want to remember it, you have to write. There is no logic behind this, okay, why we do this, but it's just a simple trick to remember it. Right, 0 1 2 3 4 and divide it by 4 and take its square root. Take its square root. So if you take the square root of all these things, what you will get? You will get cos 4 by 0 is 0 and square root of 0 is 0. 1 by 4, it should be 1 by 2. So if you cancel it, it will become 1 by 2. So this will be 1 by root 2. So this will be root 3 by 4, root 3 by 2, and this will be 1. So what I got by doing all this thing is, referring to this table, I can say that cos 0 is 0, cos 30 is half, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is root 3 by 2, and cos 90 is 1. Similarly, in the case of sine, you just start writing from the back. So sine, so you just write it 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and 1. So this is how you write it. So sine 0 is 1, sine 30 degrees root 3 by 2, sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is 1 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. In exam, if you remember this much value, the entire table can be derived from there itself. And all of you know what is tan. tan theta, no, sorry, tan. So tan is nothing but sine by cos. So 0 degree. So sine 0 will be sine by cos. So 1 by 0 is how much? Pardon me, I think. Oh, sorry, it should be 0 over here. Sorry, I think these are the values of sine. Okay, I made a mistake. So no problem. So this will be cos. Okay. So if you see sine by cos, it will be 0. This will be 1 by root 3. This will be 1 and this will be root 3 and this will be undefined. Undefined means when any number is divided by 0, we call it to be undefined. So this is we got the value of sine, cos and tan 0, 30, 45 and 60 and 90. Similarly, you can do it for sec, cosec and cot. These are nothing but the reciprocals of sine, cos and tan. So this is the way we derive this particular table, which you have to memorize it. With practice, you will be able to memorize it. Okay. So with this, I have finished what I wanted to discuss with you. So I'll be sharing with you the table in a proper format in the PDF form. Kindly note it down in your notebook. Thank you all of you for your patient listening. Thank you.